Good all of you. In this class, I explained about the two more questions which are asked in the year 2024. This is the question: how to initialize the character array? To initialize the character array, we can use any one of these methods. First of all, we have to understand what is a character array. Character array stands for the array which allows only the characters. Okay. Here I am creating the array like this one. This array is allowing the only the character type data only. At the time, the array is called as a character array. Here, the how we are initializing. Initializing on the how we are giving the values to the character array. To give the values to the character array, we can use any one of these methods here. Here, the we can write the comma separated list of constants, each of which can be contained in a character. Its meaning is like this one. Here, the after this one here in the down, I wrote the first letter is the J, second letter is the A, third letter is N here. Means we can write the one by one character which are within the single quotes. This is the one way. Or we can also directly write down like this one. Within the double quotes, we can write the JAN. Okay. If you want to write the complete string, then use the double quotation mark, or we can also write it this one. Okay. The writing of this curly brace is the optional, but in the case of the single character point of view, you have to write the curly braces compulsory. In the case of the double quotes point of view, double quote string, the writing of the curly brace is the optional. In this way, we can assign the character values to the character array. At the end of the every character, the slash zero will be printed. Slash zero stands for it represents the ending of the string. If the string has been completed, the string ending is represented by the slash zero. Let's come to the next question. In the next question, they are asking that how much memory is required for a pointer variable. Means to store the any pointer variable, how much memory has been required. First of all, what is a pointer? Pointer stands for it is a variable which is used to store the address of the another variable. Okay, assume here I am taking a pointer p. Here the whenever there is a pointer at the time, it is beginning with the star symbol, hashtag symbol. Whenever there is a hashtag symbol at the time, that variable is called as a pointer variable. How how much memory has been given for the each and every pointer variable? If the pointer variable can be any type, they are taking the same size only. If the pointer variable can be any type stands for it may be integer pointer, or it may be a character pointer, or it may be the double pointer, or float pointer. It may be any type of pointer. It takes the same size only. Why? Because it stores only the address only. Okay, to store the address, the address storing is depending on always depending on the processor only. If we are using the 64-bit processor, the pointer will take the 8 bytes of memory. If we are using the 30-bit processor, the pointer will take the 4 bytes of memory. If we are taking the 16-bit processor, the pointer will occupy the 2 bytes of memory. Means here always the memory required by the pointer variable, that is depending upon the processor only. Okay. Means and also the one more point is the size of the any pointer variable is always same for the any data type. Means the pointer can be any type. It may be integer pointer, character pointer, float pointer, double pointer. All the pointers will take the same size only. Next, come to the next question. The next one is the list the user defined data type. User defined stands for programmer defined data types. Here the data types which are defined by the programmer, those are called as the user defined data type. In the C language, we are having user defined data type as the structures, which the struct concept, structures concept, unions concept, type def, and enumerated data types. All these are considered the user defined data type. Okay. Let's come to the next question. The next one is the what is a function? Here the function stands for we are having a collection of statements like this one. Statement number one, statement number two, statement number three, and so on. We are having the n number of statements out there. Whenever there is a collection of statements, by using these statements, we can do the a particular task. By using these statements, we are doing a task or a operation. The collection of statements, these complete collection of statements are called as the function. Okay. Here, the main advantage of any function is the modularity as well as the code reusability. Code reusability stands for we can write the code only one time, we can use the same code again and again. Okay. And also we are applying the modular property. Whenever there is a modular property, we can execute the code in a parallel manner. The parallel execution has been possible. Okay. by using the modularity concept here. Next, how we can write the functions in the C language. To write the function in the C language, we have to follow this syntax. The very first one is the return type. Return type stands for what type of data the function will return. Whether the function is returning the integer data or character or float, what type of data it has been returned. If the function will not return the any type of data, then in the return type we can write the value as the void. Whenever there is a void, its meaning is that the function will not return the any type of data. After that, next we have written the name of the function. After that, within the brackets, okay, within these parentheses, we have written all the list of parameters. By using these parameters only, the function will accept the data. Okay. And between the open brace and closed brace, we have written the function body. In this place, we have written the function body. See this one. I give one simple example. There is a void. Okay. Void stands for this function will not return the any type of data. Okay. Means here the observation here the hello function is not returning any type of data. That's why the RDT type is the return type is the void. Next, the function name is the hello. Okay. Whenever this function has been called, the printer hello C will be displayed on the monitor. Okay. Means here this is the piece of code. Whenever we are calling this function, this will be displayed over the monitor. Let's come to the next question. The next one is what is the lifetime of a variable? Okay, lifetime stands for up to what time period the variable will hold the allocated memory. Okay, assume here I am declaring the one variable like this one, integer a. Assume here I am declaring one variable integer a. Here, whenever this variable a is printed within the main function, at the time this variable holds the main memory, this variable holds the system memory until the main function has been completed. If you are writing the same variable within the function, okay, assume here there is a function here, there is a block like this one. Within the block, I am declaring the variable like this one. Here, the whenever the block has been executed, during this point of view only, the variable will hold the memory. Once the block execution has been completed, it releases the corresponding memory. That is called as a lifetime of a variable. Okay, right. See this one. Lifetime of variable is defined as for how much time period a variable occupies the valid space in the system's memory. How much time period is up to which time period it is stored in the memory. Okay. Once the function has been completed, the block has been completed, it releases a corresponding memory. The time period is called as a lifetime of a variable.